Unlocking the mystery of bass tones in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that's music to our ears: bass tones. This might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in a conversation. Let's start by breaking down the phrase. Bass refers to low-frequency sounds. In music, bass is the opposite of treble, which are high-frequency sounds. Tones, on the other hand, are specific pitches or sounds in a sequence of music. When we put the two words together, bass tones are therefore the deep, low-pitched sounds in music or audio that often give it a rich, full quality. They are the sounds you sometimes feel as much as hear, like the thump of a drum or the pluck of a bass guitar. Why are bass tones significant? In music, bass tones provide a sense of rhythm and harmony. They can set the mood and are essential for the balance of sound. But bass tones can also be found outside of music. For example, in everyday life, the rumble of thunder or the chug of a train engine are also considered bass tones. Understanding this term can enrich your vocabulary when talking about audio experiences. Now, how do we use this phrase in everyday English? It's not just for musicians or audio engineers. You can use bass tones to describe the sound quality of a car stereo. The bass tones in this car make my seat shake. Or when talking about someone's voice, his voice was full of bass tones that commanded the room. Recognizing and using such phrases can enhance your descriptive language skills. And there you have it. You now know what bass tones are and how to incorporate this phrase into your English vocabulary. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the sounds of language and music. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to listen for those bass tones in the world around you.